Amigos, ¿cómo están? Ya llegó nuestro queridísimo transporte y hoy vamos a ir al Hotel St. Regis, al Siar, al Salón Internacional de la Alta Relojería. Vamos a ver literalmente los relojes más caros del mundo. Pues va a estar súper cool.
Es un turbillón con cadena, ¿okay? Cadena significa que es una pieza que va a tener una fuerza siempre constante, porque le da precisión al reloj. ¿Y cómo funciona? Tenemos una cadena que se va subiendo en un cono, ¿okay? ¿Por qué en un cono? Para que tengas cada vez una fuerza diferente para darle. Es como si estás en una bicicleta y quieres caminar siempre con la bicicleta a la misma velocidad, pues cambias las marchas cuando estás subiendo en las cuestas o cuando estás bajando para poder darle siempre la misma fuerza.
Entonces, y eso compensa las diferentes fuerzas, ¿verdad?
Exacto. Okay. Entonces es una pieza muy particular. Se ve aquí la cadena en azul, el cono está aquí a las 2, entre la 1 y las 2. Cuando se monta todo en el cono hasta arriba.
Ok, sí, ya.
¿Sí ves?
Sí.
Y se sube en el cono hasta el tope y después le da una fuerza diferente. Y eso es muy particular a Zenith. Hay muy pocas marcas que tienen un reloj así. Y son ellos que desarrollaron el primero.
Y la caja es de carbón forjado, ¿verdad?
Exacto. Y después otra pieza muy especial también, en la caja del DeFi, de la colección DeFi 21. Es un doble turbillón, ¿ok? Con centésimos de segundo. Entonces, de nuevo, primera vez que se hace, una cosa única. Y la aguja de los cronógrafos gira, da una vuelta cada segundo. Si miras, si paro el turbillón, si paro el cronógrafo, el turbillón se para. Hay un turbillón para el cronógrafo y un turbillón para las horas y los minutos. Y si miras, es un reloj de alta frecuencia y cuando le pongo el cronógrafo, si miras, el turbillón gira muy rápido.
Es verdad.
Es uno de los turbillones más rápidos que hay en el mercado de la alta relojería. Entonces, de nuevo, una innovación, algo muy técnico y es muy complicado de hacer algo así. Y sobre un reloj además automático y de manufactura.
Wow, está increíble. Like your three favorite pieces, the ones you want to...
So my favorite pieces from all is actually this one. It's a new limited edition Sang Bleu that we have launched from Mexico market. So it's a Mexico exclusive edition. It's a limited edition of 50 pieces only. That's gonna be sold through our boutiques in the Mexico market. And it's the first time that we are doing this Sang Bleu edition with a carbon fiber case. So it's forged carbon fiber with a green composite inserts inside the carbon that give this frosted effect. And the watch has what we call the one-click system, where you press on the button and you can change the watch. So basically, it's coming with two straps, either the black one that I'm wearing or the green one that is also delivered with the same watch.
Which one do you like the best, the black strap or the green strap?
It depends. The black is a bit more formal, let's say.
Party green,
easier to
formal
wear.
black.
But I love the green one because it's flashy. You know,
it makes the watch pop a lot.
It attracts the eyes when you look at the watch. Exactly. So this is, let's say, our main focus for the Siar 2021. But yeah, my second favorite is definitely this one, our Big Bang Integral Sapphire Tourbillon. It's a
Micro rotor. It has everything.
It has everything. It's a new movement that we have launched this year on this collection, but also you will see after. It's a new automatic tourbillon movement with the micro rotor on the front, on the dial side of the watch. What to say about this watch? Only 50 pieces limited worldwide, so very few quantity, but really a masterpiece. Knowing that to manufacture the case, it's more than 50 days of hours all combined, so more than 1,500 hours to be able to manufacture the whole watch. So it's a very long process, and it's also one of the reasons why the quantity is so exclusive with 50 pieces worldwide only.
The stand here is to be as minimalist as possible, just to have a very clean dial with only the most useful information. So you have the time and the date. We believe that on a regular basis you don't need to look at your watch to remember that it's October or to remember that it's 2021, for example. However, you do need to tell the watch which month it is. So something which is small enough not to obstruct the dial, but then big enough when you need to set the watch, is you have 12 hours and you also have 12 months. So every hour indicates one of the 12 months. I've done it on purpose. It's indicating the third hour, therefore March. So it's 2nd of March. And usually you can't do what I just did.
Yes.
I just set it back to the 28th of February because the 28th of February is the most interesting date jumps. So when you go forward, any other perpetual calendar can take up to 6, 8, even sometimes 10 hours to go 28, 29, 30, 31, 1st of March. And during that time, whatever you do not try to pull the crown, otherwise you're going to hit and you're going to break the movement. Here, you arrive at midnight.
Whoa.
And it jumps instantaneously from the 28th of February. It's very special, is that you can go back again. So it's a very user-friendly perpetual calendar. You can go backwards, you can go forwards, you can travel with it. It's not one of those watches that you keep in the safe because it's on your bucket list. It's what we want the owner of most watches to be able to wear them, to travel with it. And this is exactly the whole idea. You've got a power reserve indicator here at 10 o'clock, and thanks to the thanks to the 2 barrels, you've got a 10-day power reserve. So it's our iconic movement. The movement was initially launched in 2005. Already in 2006, it won the Grand Prix de l'Horlogerie in Geneva in the complication category. So 16 years later, we have now two fusions and an evolution of the movement. So here you can see a beautifully decorated movement. It's probably less traditional than the first one. It has a contemporary finish with this anthracite bridges. We also wanted to skeletonize the part here to give that a more modern feel. But then you have the very traditional elements such as the gold chatons for the barrels. And it's a nice contrast between the stainless steel case and bracelet and then this anthracite movement.
Es que lo imprimen y es hueca la caja, güey.
Literal se va haciendo capa por capa y literal es como un caparazón. Por dentro es completamente hueco. Lo que hace que solamente pese 100 gramos el reloj. Vale, y lo que estás cargando prácticamente es el peso de la correa. Sí. Que es una correa de neopreno.
¿De qué material es la caja?
Titanio.
No manches.
Y esta es la pieza número 6 de 36 y tiene un bisel de carbon.
¿En cuánto está este watch?
3.600.000 pesos.
Wow.
10 años lo puedo
Y
cambiar.
el turbillón gira hacia acá, ¿verdad? En
Sí,
lugar de
es
girar.
biaxial. Da para ambos lados.
Qué hermoso.
Está precioso el viejo.
¿Pero puedes mostrar si está girando? Creo que no, ¿verdad?
No.
A ver si quieren le doy cuerda
Sí.
para que...
Dale tú, por favor, que ahorita no traigo cambio.
No le tengas miedo.